color property? Well, color property represents CSS property that we can use to set font color. Font color in CSS can be set on 4 different ways. So we can set it like RGB value, we can set it like hexadecimal value, like hexadecimal value, and like predefined CSS color. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, for this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body. Inside of body, we have simple text paragraph, and inside of head, we have just title for our HTML document. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so first thing that I want to do, for our text paragraph, let's define class HTML attribute. And like a value, let's set text dash purple. Okay, so now inside of head, let's define style block, where we're going to define all styles for this HTML document. Okay, and I want to create text purple class selector. And basically we know that all class selectors start with the dot first, then text purple. Now let's define declaration block, and inside of it let's define color CSS property. Now, like a value, you can use any color that you want, but I believe that for text purple, purple color is definitely appropriate, right? Okay, so let's save these changes. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. Okay, as you can see, we have set purple color for our text. Let's analyze our web page. Let's click on right click, let's click on inspect. So now on the right hand side, you can see structure of our HTML document. So expand head, let's expand body. Inside of head, we have our text purple class selector. And down here we have our paragraph. So if we click on it, down here you can see our text purple class selector. And inside of it, we have our color CSS and purple like value color. Okay. If we click on a purple color here, this pop-up will be open with all available colors that you can use. So first thing that you can see is that instead of purple like predefined value color, you can use for the same color hexadecimal value. Okay, so this is notation for it. Or if you click on this arrow here, you can see how the same color can be presented like RGB value color with alpha channel. Or if we click once again, you can see how the same color can be set like hexadecimal value with alpha channel. So basically, color CSS property can be set with all that 4 values. So we can use predefined value, you can use RGB value, you can use this hexadecimal value, or hexadecimal value. Okay, so feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.